Hello everybody and welcome to Skylark Way on this beautiful crisp sunny day. So the property I have in front of me is an absolutely stunning townhouse. I'm going to stick my neck out here. I've done this before and I'm going to stick my neck out again and say I think this is one of the best townhouses I have ever had on the market in 25 years in the job. It is absolutely stunning. It's a 20-year-old property. It's got 4 beds. It's a lovely location here in Skylark Way as well, which I'm just going to give you a quick spin all the way round. So if I just take a little step back, we've got this lovely green and children's play park in front. So fantastic for families. It's very quiet. And I'm going to keep going until we get back to the property there. So Skylark Way itself, well, we're close to Shinfield Centre. So we've got a co-op there, we've got a pub, we've got a Greggs in the garage with a Subway and an Asda. Great schooling here as well, and the access is also very good to M4 Junction 11 and Green Park. So it's got everything going for it here in this location. What I'm going to do first on this tour is I'm going to take you firstly to the back of the property. So at the back we've got garage, we've got allocated parking in front of the garage. And we've also got access to the garden from the rear as well. You can obviously access the garden from inside the property, from the lounge, but I'm just going to take you this way. We've got gated entrance here, taking you into your garage, parking and rear access. So this is your garage, the first one on the right, and there is your parking as well. So that is your allocated parking and garage too. If we go further to the left, this is your own personal access, taking you through to the back garden. And this back garden is fantastic. We've got some lovely features. We've got some Japanese granite. This seat here faces south. I'm just gonna take a sit down and look how much sun comes in here. It's lovely. You stand up at this time of year, even brighter. Nice lawn area, lovely features, new fencing. A couple of raised beds here as well. Nice patio. And there we go, look at that. Just a really nice garden. Excuse the footprints in the lawn. It's a bit frosty this morning and it's nice and private too. So lovely garden, and I think the whole house overall is just absolutely immaculate, which you're going to see in a second. I love selling these properties where they're in such good condition. The owner's taken so much pride. It's only been one owner on this house, so the owner has taken so much pride in this property. There's no onward chain complications as well, which is a really good selling point. So if anybody's looking for a quick move this year in 2024, then this could well be the property that may interest you. No onward chain, nice and easy, and as you can see, a lovely location. So we're going to go in the house now. Looking forward to doing this. Slip my shoes off and we're going to go into the kitchen breakfast room. So there's the breakfast area, dining area, with the front aspect bay window looking out towards the park. I'm just going to take a step this way, shut the door and give you a nice full view of this lovely kitchen. So I've got a built-in oven and hob, fridge, built-in freezer, plenty of cupboard space, dishwasher, that's built in, and then I'm just standing towards the back, just looking down towards the bay window. So I think you probably understand where I'm coming from now when I say it is in absolutely immaculate condition. Let's keep going. So along the hallway and we get to the downstairs cloakroom. sink, radiator and a toilet. And then we get to this wonderful lounge with double doors going out into the garden. Now look at that. It is in show house condition. Your double doors looking up to the garden where we were just now. Nice view. We've got an understairs storage cupboard here as well. And now we're going to go upstairs and have a look at some of the bedroom accommodation. So let's start at the back. Double bedroom, really, really nice size. Rear aspect window, and we've got 2 built-in double wardrobes. There's your back garden. Double wardrobe. And space up top as well. And exactly the same this side. So that's the back bedroom. We've got some USB points downstairs as well. We've got a TV point in here. Plenty of plug sockets. And here we have the family bathroom. There we go. Absolutely spotless. And then through to the front bedroom, the biggest bedroom. 2 front aspect windows, so there's loads of light coming in. Got an ensuite here, got an ensuite shower room. Again, we've got more built-in wardrobes, same as the bedroom before, so 2 sets of double wardrobes. And then here we can see out towards the front. Let's go up to the next floor. 2 more bedrooms up here. So, back bedroom. This is the smallest bedroom in the house, which is a standard size single or study. And then here we've got a cupboard with the Megaflow water tank and original boiler that's only just been serviced as well. Cool, it's lovely and warm in here too. There's your boiler controls. Shower room. And then front bedroom. Another excellent size double. And growing theme, double wardrobe. So there's loads of storage space in this property. You've even got, even though we're on 3 floors, a little bit of extra storage there in the loft as well. And I'm just going to give you a view from up here. We've got fantastic country walks from here in Shinfield. You can probably just see in the distance there the countryside. So if you like your walks, you've got a dog, well, this is the place that you need to be living. We're so close to country walks. If you like your running, like me, then there's some beautiful places to run in this area of Reading. But also, you're not too far away from Reading town centre, so if you do need to get to the town centre, there's great bus services taking you to the station and into the town centre. You've got Green Park Station not too far away as well. That will take you out towards Basingstoke and also into Reading town centre. So what a house. Absolutely pristine throughout. And again, no onward chain with this one. So not only do you get a beautiful property, but you get no onward chain complications with it either. So what more could you want? So thank you very much everybody for watching the tour today. and I look forward to seeing you at viewings. We'll be starting viewing straight away, and our telephone number is 0118 334 7410. I look forward to seeing you very soon.